Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're looking at your digraph book once again. Today we are looking at the digraph SH. Normally S says shh. No, it doesn't. Normally S says s, like a snake slithering through, and H says like we've just been running and we're out of breath. But when S and H are together, they say shh, like we're in a library and we have to tell the person next to us, shh, remember we're in a library, shh. So SH says shh. And as I'm looking at our digraph book, I see an S and an H right here. But remember, SH has to go S first, H second. So this would be backwards, okay? This would be backwards. The H goes with the P for the one that for phone. PH makes the F sound. But today we're looking at SH says shh. SH says shh. And let's look through our book. We're going to read. Why am I doing SH? Because here's SH. Very. All right. Now that I'm back on the same page, we are reviewing SH. SH says shh. We just talked about that. But today for your assignment, you're also going to be looking at CH words. C normally says k, and H says like we're running. No, that's not what CH says. CH says ch, like a train is choo-chooing. A train is chugging along. Ch. So we have shh, be quiet. The sheep is on the shovel. CH, choo-choo train. I said train like the TR made the CH sound. It doesn't. Let's see in our book real quick if we have any CHs. I kind of made the CH up, so I don't know if it's going to be in our book. But hey, let's see. There might be a word. The sheep was on the shovel. I don't see any CH words. And your SH word should already be highlighted. The duck had on a sock. Ooh, I see a C, but it's not an H, it's a K. The chicken sat on the branch. There is CH words. I haven't completely lost all of my marbles. Just most of them. CH. Now remember, digraphs, it doesn't matter if they're at the beginning, at the end, or in the middle of a word. Whenever we see them, those two letters together, they always will say this sound. So SH, no matter if it's at the beginning, at the end, or in the middle, it will always say shh. CH at the beginning, at the end, or in the middle, it will always say ch, chicken, branch. Okay. The whale blew on the whistle. The fish sat on the bench. Oh, here's another one. The dolphin took a shower. Ooh, this one should be highlighted from Monday last week because we did SH. The sloth was doing math. And that is the end. All right, so we did find a couple of CHs in our book. Your SHs should have already been highlighted from last week. Today, your assignment is to say the word and then to decide if you hear the SH sound or the CH Shh.